Today I'm here with my friend Harry, who you all loved watching pull a Mini out of a driveway a couple of months ago. Everybody loved your efforts on that.
See, not that it matters at all, but we've done some damage to the door there.
I texted him this morning and he just said, I've got a car coming, do you want to buy it? So I have said yes, and I'm looking at it right now. It's the first time I've seen it, and
I'm looking at it.
You're looking at it rubbing your hands because you've made money, and I'm looking and go, what the actual hell is this? However, this car is a legend, and I know that they last forever and ever and ever, so without further ado, I'm going to show you what I bought.
Harry, how many fails did this have in 2023?
It had more fouls than advisories.
Just be honest. Come on. Stop hiding it. Go up.
Lucky 13.
13. How many of them were corrosion?
So far, so good.
Yeah.
1.
Right.
2.
Yeah.
3. 4. 5.
Oh my good God.
5.
I didn't look at this because
No,
you
neither
didn't
did I.
send me. You very craftily, when I texted you about this, didn't send me the number plate.
Did I not?
None of the
Oh,
pictures.
you
So
good
I
with
just
the
went,
camera.
yeah, all right, fine. Oh God,
But
honestly.
it doesn't need an MOT, so that's...
With friends like these, seriously. Don't act like you didn't try it. You looked. Oh no, look. See
yeah,
this.
that's the worst bit, I think.
This is what they've already marked all of this out for being cut out. I mean, this car does need some welding. Oh no. I did just say you should go and point out some stuff to me, but given how blind you have been to the MOT, I'm not sure if I trust you anymore.
I wouldn't. No.
You know more than you're letting on.
I viewed it from 30 foot away. Obviously.
Have you got cataracts? I don't know what this paint is. This is like...
I don't know what's... It's something's...
It's like when you get
painted.
really bad skin.
It's painted and then reacted with the painter.
In a way, I kind of like it. It doesn't seem like it's gone down here. This looks like it's all right and can be saved and brought back up. But this, can you just...
I don't know.
Yeah, it's really weird. Lovely shat-on front end. I've
washed it for you.
Oh no, why do I let you do this to me? You split the Mini in half with your terrible
I
towing.
didn't reg check it at all.
So, why not?
Well, I didn't look at it. Just bought it. That's what you do, isn't it? So.
Right, put me out my misery. Let's have a look inside. Oh Christ, that is green. Look. Do you know what? I actually love this. Shit.
It's 2 cars, isn't it?
Oh no,
It's a different car inside,
I
isn't
should
it?
not be in love with this like I am. Look at the mileage on it, 178k. It's clean. Look at this this.
Don't look in the back.
What's in the back? Oh, is there like mice in there or
No,
something?
I just think it's been someone shed for a bit. It's been a hay store.
Let's have a look.
It's not that bad.
That just needs hoovering.
Yeah. I think so does the outside.
Honestly. Do you know what? I don't hate it. It's can't figure out why is the front the outside so bad but the inside so good.
Well, it's been under a tree, but that isn't the reason the outside's bad, is it? It's only been under a tree a couple of months.
So what is the reason the outside's so bad? Neglect. This is what I don't understand with cars like this. So people, obviously, someone's put effort into keeping the inside now nice, and then they've just gone, oh yeah, I don't really care about the rest of it. These are decent cars. These are solid things. They drive these in Africa forever. And it just seems like such a waste to not look after it this much on the inside and just leave it on the outside. And you said it starts.
Starts very well. Obviously not with the flat battery.
Shall we try and get...
Little jump pack on and...
You got your screwdriver?
Oh, fucking hell, yeah.
Thanks.
Keeps finding that.
So that's just... God.
Oh, can you pull the lever?
Is this the... No, that's the handbrake. I love these mats as well. They are fantastic things.
Is there mats under the mat?
Yeah, it's got green mats under the proper floor mats, and none of them seem worn. I still haven't pulled that yet. I'm looking at the floor. That looks good. I've just realised I haven't even shown everyone the engine bay, which is quite clean. Just have a look at this. That's a genuine radiator on it. I don't imagine that's, unless it's been replaced with a new one. Have you got any paperwork with this? I didn't even ask.
There is some.
There is some history.
Bits and bobs, but
It's not too bad, is it really? I'm really in two minds here as to whether I've bought something that's brilliant or a complete nail. Right, let's go and start her. Now, you said, Harry, that there is something missing off the exhaust.
there's a break in the exhaust
A break in the exhaust.
on the down height. There is a new one with it.
Okay.
It's got like 2 flexes and one.
Do I trust you?
I mean,
I don't know how well trusting you's gone so far. Okay, let's let the pump prime a bit. Okay, here we go. Oh, straight up. God, that's loud. That's like that Rolls Royce.
It's the same car.
I really hope not. That thing was a dog. Oh, what a beauty. That is loud though. That's terrible. Okay, I'm just going to turn her off so I can hear myself think again. That's really loud, mate. We can't.
It's broken on the
I'm still going to test drive it.
Yeah.
Oh, a little bit rotten there at the bottom of the doors. I'll be knocking you some money off for that.
Yeah.
Yeah, you didn't mention.
Some filler.
You didn't mention
Inside, though,
this.
isn't it?
I know, but then when the video's out now, people are going to see this and they'll be like, "Oh, I know." Right.
Not bad, 150 quid, isn't it?
Do you know what? I love the details that they put in, and of course, because it's one of these, the doors will go. Oh, so satisfying shutting these doors. What a beauty. Okay, right, we need to get this off the trailer, I think, and go for a little drive. Just spotted this, though. Oh dear, there's a big bit of cracked filler here. So I think maybe we'll have to get rid of some of that and fill it back up and do a little patch on it. But I'm never going to match this. Or would you fix it or not? Would that risk going through to the rest of the car? I really don't know what the best thing to do with that is. If you've got any ideas, let me know what I should be doing with this, because I am not a bodywork guy and I don't want this to cause any problems for the next owner. Okay, let's take her off the trailer. She's not happy about it. Oh, comfortable. Sounds like a banger racer. Those brakes are not good.
Yes, I'm on them.
Huh?
I'm on them.
My favourite thing in life is driving cars like this around and the looks that people give you. Is the bonnet down? It's so loud. Huh? Good. She looked really mad. 100% getting prosecuted for this.
It's better. We're doing 45.
We are definitely getting letters in the post. I will say, even now, it's still kind of smooth in a weird way. Oh,
Actually, like,
it's not. No, it's nice.
actually drives okay.
It drives like you want a Mercedes to drive. Okay, yeah, pull in here. All right, and we're going to swap the camera around, and it's going to. Have you got the
jump packs on it?
Okay, good. Right. Drive. Oh, hang on, no. Mustn't break the law. Oh. Oops, I didn't mean to do that.
Well, they work.
I'm not going to
Can't see shit
now.
It's actually
So
okay.
smooth.
It's actually okay.
This is when they back. That was everything about classic motoring that I love. Well guys, this is a part where I would usually say, tell me what you think, have I messed up? But I don't think I have messed up, and if you think I have, I don't want to hear it. But I still want to hear your opinions, so please comment below and tell me just what you think of this car. As I said, they're really popular in Africa. They are well known for their reputation for going on forever and ever and ever and ever, and I think that this is, with a little bit of love, gonna be one of those cars that makes it. So please, as I said, do let me know. Make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel for more if you haven't already. Check me out on Instagram at Road to Rust, and I've got the same name on TikTok. And I'll see you again next week with another video. This will be back on the channel. We're going to get it down to Portsmouth, get Mike to do some welding on it, poor guy, and this will get another lease of life. So until then, see you later.